Hello, YouTubers. Dave out in Western PA, USA. Okay, what I have here is a short experiment I carried out with carbon felt. Here's a typical sample of it from Amazon. Now, that's carbon felt. It's not necessarily activated carbon. They have to specify that, really. So it is carbon felt, of course, really essentially non-conductive. What I did was I took 1.663 grams of carbon felt. Here are the dimensions. This will be important with what I'm going to show you in this short video. With calipers 64.5 millimeter length, 50.8 millimeter width, and the carbon felt thickness 5.1 millimeters thickness. And what I did was I decided to spray it with Aerosol Industries Tool Mates dry graphite lubricant number 8078. I picked it up on Amazon. And suppose you want to make this carbon felt that you have somewhat conductive. Well, I use a lot of graphite felt. It's usually a grayish color compared to the carbon felt. More of a grayish color. Now remember, graphite, you're going to have to go up to 2,000 degrees Celsius. Whereas you can make activated carbon, or even just carbon black materials at 1,000 degrees Celsius. In fact, you can activate any carbon you make using chemical methods like traditional calcium carbonate, heat it up, and you can create a significantly higher surface area. So suppose you have some carbon felt, but it's not conductive enough for supercap or battery work. Well, you guessed it, I sprayed this material. Now, they tell you to let it dry for 1 minute. I'm a chemist, and that sounds nice, but the odor is there even 2 hours later. So what I did was I sprayed both sides 3 times. And I would spray one side, and I'd give it 20 minutes. Then I'd do the other side and repeat the process 3 times. Then I left it overnight. Now, it was originally 1.663 grams of carbon felt. When I left for the night, it was 1.981 grams after the aerosol graphite spray. And the next day, it's about coming up on 24 hours, well, let's say 20 hours, 1.915 grams. So in other words, deposited would be 252 milligrams of graphite. And this is interesting because I actually have been spraying it on graphite materials. And that could give graphite materials a little bit more surface area along with conductivity. But in any event, if you need to make some graphite felt and you have the carbon felt, this spray would be probably pretty effective. Now, I'm doing this holding my cell phone, but here let's do a resistance measurement. 0.9, about a centimeter, right? Ohms. 0.9, 0.9. Now let me turn it around because you want uniform deposition, I would expect. I'll turn it around. Let's see the other side how we do. 0.9. Okay, so you get it. Very, very nice, easy method to get yourself some increased conductivity. And don't overlook, as I said, spraying this on graphite felt that you have or twine. You may find there will be different performance when you actually put together supercaps or batteries. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Bye for now.